Dear President Kalla, I want to wish you a happy birthday.
Let me also thank you and use this possibility to thank you for your good support.
Sederet tokoh relawan dunia, akademisi hingga pemerintah mengucapkan ulang tahun ke-83 ke Jusuf Kalla. Relawan besar Indonesia itu ulang tahun pada 15 Mei 2025. Beberapa diantaranya Ketua Palang Merah Israel, Dr. Noam Rifyach, mendoakan agar pengusaha itu bahagia dalam hidup. Noam juga mengenang perjalanan Jusuf Kalla dengannya di Yerusalem. Jaakko Oksanen, Senior Advisor of Crisis Management, juga ikut memberikan ucapan selamat sembari mengenang perjuangan keduanya dalam bidang kemanusiaan. Tidak ketinggalan Wakil Menteri Luar Negeri Afghanistan Sher Mohamed Abbas Stanezkay mengenang kebaikan JK saat menjadi juru runding negosiasi damai Taliban dengan Amerika Serikat.
Dear President Kalla, I want to wish you a happy birthday. We remember the days that you came to Jerusalem and it was an amazing trip. I want to wish you again a happy birthday.
This is a message from Belanda. I am Pieter Veit, Kepala AMM diantarnya. I want to congratulate Papa Jusuf Kalla for his birthday today and wish him happiness and a long life with his family and peace wherever he goes. Terima kasih.
Dear sir, this is my short message from Helsinki to congratulate you on your 83rd birthday on 15 May. Let me also thank you and use this possibility to thank you for your good support we enjoyed in ATSE, this process. At the very beginning, you accepted me, that time a bit younger Major General, and my colleagues as trusted partner. And this made our work easy. I trust you have a nice birthday party there in Jakarta with your family, loved ones, and your friends. All the best, young man. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very happy birthday to Vice President Jusuf Kalla, a friend that I've known for a long time, a good friend of South Africa, and a great member of the Ummah. May his 83rd birthday be yet the start of another life for him, and may he continue to do the best for humanity that he has always done and be the greatest export that Indonesia has ever had. Happy birthday and all the best for you, inshallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo, dari Prof. Eric Jones, sejarawan Indonesia di Northern Illinois University. His Excellency Jusuf Kalla, it is an honor to be recognizing such an impactful world figure and Tokoh Indonesia. We you are grateful for the many Indonesian students from our campus you have engaged with and supported, and hope to welcome you to our campus again. From all of us, we wish to say happy birthday, Pak Jika.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.